Whenever you're ready. Sakto, nasa gitna yung ano.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, Chef. Good afternoon.
Hello, hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, Chef, how are you feeling na isa ka na ngayong brand partner ba? Tama ba?
Yeah.
Brand partner ng PCL Refrigerator.
Well, I'm really honored and privileged. No? Kasi, alam mo, companies such as CCL, hindi naman yan basta-basta pinipili na katrabaho, especially people who did want to be like sort of spokesperson to their brand. So, yun talaga, sobrang humbling din for such a big company to tap into this market.
Ilang weeks or months mo na bang nagamit yung refrigerator?
Mga a month pa lang.
So, what is your first impression?
Okay, first and foremost kasi, like for example, we really wanted it for our studio. And kitang-kita mo naman sa studio natin, sobrang swak ang aesthetic niya. And tingnan natin yung aming studio, it's really very, napapanahon yung aesthetic. Diba? So nung pinasok siya, lalo siyang parang gumanda because of the color. It's like a dark gray. Hindi siya mukhang common na kulay. It's very elegant, very sleek, pangyamanin. Diba yung dating, di ba?
Chef, ano yung pinakagusto mong feature?
Actually, yun talaga yung importante talaga sa akin. Yun talaga yung convertible na section. Because sometimes nga, especially ginagamit namin sa studio, iba-iba kasi yung niluluto namin, iba-ibang meat. So, nag-change talaga yung configuration ng meat mo. But if you have a refrigerator na yun na siya, parang sometimes, nahirapan ka. Kasi may need ka din, hindi mo nagagawa ng paraan, di ba?
So, as a final message.
Well, for me talaga, to the audience, for me talaga, yun, alam mo, especially now that, let's say times are hard. Times are hard. Sometimes it can be really challenging. It's better to think carefully and make wiser decisions that have long-term impact. Kasi ultimately, ang binabantayan mo, hindi lang naman yung today. If you're going to use this product, if you're going to use something for the next 3 to 5 years, you better make the right decision. Or else, down the line, ikaw rin din ma-inconvenience. Thank you!